Today we're going to showcase some of our staff using the Pro Trailer Backup Assist for the very first time.
Hit it, boys.
I think the trailer assist is going to be a big help. I think I'm going to do great with it.
Oh boy. Yeah. I mean, he's
going to hit the other side.
Yeah, he's going to. Oh my goodness.
Oh jeez. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
He's real far over. I'm hoping to actually be even close like that.
A difference between the trailer assist with and without. I'd say the without definitely had to be a little more cautious of how far I'm swinging that trailer. But with, at least you don't have to worry about jackknifing it. So.
Probably not going to be setting any records on this one like I did on the parallel park where I set my longest, slowest park. I think I'm going to do mediocre in this one.
He's not getting a jackknife. That was actually very quick.
All right, well, so that's my first time trying out the trailer backup assist, and it's pretty neat. I got to tell you though, it's going to take a little bit of practice. So, first time in, it's a little awkward. You got to start practicing and adjusting and fiddle-futzing with it. But no different than when I'm doing the steering wheel all over the place too. So I think it did pretty good, and I think I did just as good as Joe Goodson did.
It's going to be easy to use with the trailer assist. It's going to be tricky, but I think Ford makes it easy for the average person like me to be able to take care of it.
And Matt Borkowski, quick start.
He was our backup, our parallel park champ.
Just give me the flag right now. I got the gold medal. Let's go.
He's got a history of winning backup challenges.
This might not be it though.
He's definitely going to miss.
Does he know which spot to go into?
Here goes the pier.
Yeah.
Oh, he's finally done. Okay.
Some people can parallel park, some people can park a boat.
The machine does a really good job at steering for you. Personally, I think I did a pretty bad job. I'm not going to lie, I think it was one of the worst probably out of the guys, but we'll see.
I've never used the trailer assist, but I feel pretty good about that. Without it, pretty big boat. My boat's a little smaller than this. I'll be okay. We'll get her done.
This is Todd's backup without the trailer assist.
Right. He says he doesn't have his glasses, so he's already setting the standard of excuses.
I'll be okay. We'll get her done.
You're good.
Splash, baby. Look at him. Oh my God.
Wow.
Guy used to work for Roundy's or something. Oh, he's actually worse now.
That's good.
Park assist was something to get used to, just like backing up a boat without the park assist.
I think I'm going to do pretty good here. Just picked up this beautiful 1982 Sun Tracker, 10-year note, $350 a month. She'll be all mine. Now I just got to do a little bit of practicing, get her in the water.
It's pretty good. I think he knows what he's doing.
Right down the middle.
I think he's got the record.
Cone.
Might have. Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's perfect. Backing up a trailer.
Yeah. Oh boy, he would be making.
It was pretty good. I like the boat. I think me and the family are going to have a great time. Me and the dog. Getting in the water, now that's another story. But the Pro Trailer Assistant backup works great. Come to Soerens Ford. Check it out.